Good afternoon everyone present here. Actually, I am Ritika Singh Baghel from class 11th and she is Niharika, my teammate, and we are here to say something about our presentation which is on thermometer. So respectfully, members of National NCERT, National Institute of Education and from Bhopal, I am going to represent thermometer. So what is thermometer? Thermometer is a device which is used to measure temperature and it is an crucial element to record weather, climate and its changes. Firstly, we have wet and dry thermometer. So it is also known as wet bulb thermometer. It is for recording of dry temperature and wet temperature. So it is consist of muslin cloth and it's a container in which water is filled. So it records the humidity of an area where the temperature and heat is present. And in dry temperature, we record the temperature of that area wherever the heat and dryness is present, like outside as we can see right now. And it is consist of a bulb where is mercury element present and it goes upside when the temperature rises and it goes downside when the temperature decreases. So we have minimum and maximum temperature which will be explained by Niharika.
Good morning. I am Niharika. I am here to represent the minimum and maximum thermometer. It is usually used by meteorologists, weather forecasting department, and it is used for measuring the current atmospheric temperature. So here we have two scales, minimum and maximum thermometer. The first one is minimum temperature, minimum thermometer, which is used. It is currently used when the last reading we had done, measured. So we had done the practical a few hours before, and it is now the reading that shows here. It is 23 degrees Celsius. Means and in maximum, the current reading is 23 degrees centigrade. So diagonally the 0 degree above in maximum thermometer, the 0 degree above, it shows positive charge, and below the 0 degree it shows negative measurement. Whereas in minimum, below the 0 degree it shows positive measurement, and above the 0 degree it shows negative. Thank you.